All right, so we're gonna go do this is engineering, slide joint. Here's my document right here. All right, slide joint practice exercise. This was under what, geometry constructions? Construction geometry. Okay, so I downloaded the file, unzipped it, I opened it up, open it in Fusion, come up something like this. Create the revolve and cut the whole details. So we need to create the revolve part here. And that's what I'm going to do now. So so it starts off like this. And it's hard to actually get a hold of this, but I'm just going to go bring it up here so I can see this piece right here. And I'm going to, for you guys paying attention, edit sketch. So we have our dimensions and everything. So there's all my dimensions, and I need to change some of these because it needs to actually be sticking out 1 inch this way. So I'm going to add 1 inch going to it this way. And that's basically it when I'm doing this. So I'm going to change this because all these are defined. They have constraints. So I'm adding 1 inch to that. So the distance in between there and the edge should be 1 inch. And it moves everything over this way. So it changes that to 1 inch. And now I need to push this back this way. So that means this piece right here needs to be bigger. So I'm going to change that to 1.33. So I'm just adding that to this piece because that's all I'm going to change. There you go. And now I'm just going to revolve that. So I edited the size. So it's now going to fit. So now I could actually rotate this. Finish sketch. And revolve. I'm going to cut this one. Not project axis. I want on axis. There we go. So I changed the axis to be this central line right here. So I have the profile selected, which is in blue, the axis, which is this light right here, and I'm doing 360 all the way around. So it's going to cut through everything. There you go. So now that's probably like the biggest part everyone is having trouble with. So now it's cutting out there, and now I'm going to go back to this. Not that. There. Yeah, that hole.
Does the hole go all the way through, or does it go through? It goes all the way.
All the way through. So I'm going to select it from the top. And then what was it? It was
0.15
diameter. 1.5, but it's from the edge 1.41. All right, so, dang it. So I always like creating a.
You should have made the little hole before you did that.
I know. Let's back it up. There you go. Put it back here. And Arnold says I should start it from here. So I'm going to make a point here. So how far was it?
1.4.
Yeah, you can just do 0.41 because it's.
Yeah, because the edge. So I'm going to go 0.41 because it's going to be from the edge over to this center. And that should be 0 degrees. So it's going to give me that spot right there. Create a hole. And my hole .15.
You go, my friend.
Okay, thank you. 0.15 through.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, okay. There you go. So 0.15. Why does that look weird now? What the heck? I don't know. The hole went the wrong way. I've never had that before.
You do it on the wrong plane.
No.
What's the distance of the whole thing? Oh, it's going the wrong way. That's why. -1. There you go.
Yes, right here. Wait, mister,
Yeah.
did you sketch that circle?
No, why?
Oh. Well, you could just sketch the circle and then just do an extruded cut all the way through. 'Cause that seems really complicated.
It's not all the way through yet. What's the thickness of this? No, because I'm just making the hole.
Well, exactly.
So I just pushed it all the way through. You see what I did?
Yeah.
So I only did is I sketched it like you recommended to go from here to here. I put a dot and then right clicked it and made a hole. That's probably one of the most basic ways of doing it. Let's see, and then let's do our revolve. Select my axis, which is revolving here. 360, cut, and okay.
Well,
So,
that's basically
is that it?
yeah, that's it.
There was nothing else to this?
No.
Okay. All right, so apparently that's it. And I'm gonna go save, slide joint, and this is my V2.
Save location is true.
Okay, so no, the next part's gonna be the important. So file, export. This is where everyone forgets.
I get it.
Export it as .f3d. Look very carefully where this is going. Users, so this is actually on my page here, so that's important there. Export, and let me pull up someone's. So let's see. That's my first. I want your class as a student. Assignments, slide joint, start assignment. So wherever you saved it as, there's mine right there that I just did, V2. And make sure you, where I screwed up on it, I'll show you here in a second where I screwed up, because a lot of people are going to make the same thing. Make sure you put your name on it, the title of what it is, and your actual name. Like these guys here, Osvaldo, yeah, he's like Madonna, so he only goes by one name. Julian Sakwat, so yeah. So basically, make sure your name's on it. Hit submit. And that's it. All right, make sure you all like, share, and subscribe.